Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Mechanism of action of inhalational agents. The inhalational agents will act on central nervous system and they cause unconsciousness and amnesia. They can act on the spinal cord leading to the immobility. These inhalational agents they will also act on GABA receptors or NMDA receptors. Some of them act on GABA receptors. Some of the gaseous agents like nitrous oxide and xenon, they act on NMDA receptors, or some will directly bind to the cellular proteins. But whatever may be the action, they will cause unconsciousness and amnesia in the central nervous system, and they cause immobility in the spinal cord. Summary: mechanism of action of inhalational agents. On the CNS, they cause unconsciousness and amnesia. On the spinal cord, they cause immobility. Then they activate the GABA receptors and NMDA receptors. NMDA receptors are mainly activated by nitrous oxide and xenon. They bind to the cellular proteins and cause their actions.
thank you and thank you for watching.